Hello, trading is closed on January 15th, 2020. Go over our call. Set a target of 32.91.78. And prices were down here. That printed, and there's the support level. I was calling this a pattern with the early high, which would mean this would be a pattern with the early high. And even though you can read it the other way, I think that's what this is. And that means tomorrow's pattern has the early low. This is 2 days straight that we broke out to new highs and couldn't hold them. It's a negative pattern, but you really have to close under some lows or convince yourself that this strong rally is not over. It hasn't happened yet. Well, we said unless we gap down smartly, which didn't happen, I wanted to see the target print. And it did. Now today we had this whipsaw day. That's when MEJT really does its stuff, because it said this drop wouldn't stick, said these rallies were false, would retrace, said all these squiggles would retrace back to this area, and they all did. Now here's 2 days straight where you reject the highs, but until you confirm by going under the lows, doesn't mean that much to me when the rally is as strong as this. Now for those who look at the mark stuff, today was day 13, the final day of a combo sell signal. It marks the area of a high in his work, not the exact high necessarily, but these just haven't worked. It's just a sign that the market's overextended, which you don't need an indicator to say. Some of the indicators, such as sentiment, mutual fund cash position, put-call ratios, are really off the chart. In spite of that, I think too many people are calling for a top here. Usually, when you extend it like this and it's a top, no one's going to call for it. But that doesn't tell us what will happen tomorrow. Now we have more stuff indicating resistance at today's high. You can connect these lines here, and this one, and these. You get these trend lines meeting right here, which offers resistance. You also take this low and this high, get your Fibonacci grid. You see these perfect hits, 38.2, 61.8, 78.6, even 88.66 in the hundreds today. So we have trend line resistance and Fibonacci resistance right at the high. And you also have inabilities to hold on to the high. Well, either we gap up, take out the high fast, or else lower prices print. But futures are already up smartly. And if the rally is going to continue, it shouldn't be too hard for them to go a little bit higher. We'll have to wait for the open to know. I think we have the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. We're hitting new highs and can't hold them. Strong resistance. You need to gap over this resistance, ideally, or lower prices print. I still think the breadth is too good and the new highs are too good for a collapse here, in spite of the overextended state. But if we can't overtake this high early, I think that this high will at least stick for tomorrow, because there is resistance there. I think we'll break through it at some point. The only question is if you go down first. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. It's important to take this high out early, or else lower prices print, and that's today's call.